I'm Steven Jesus, and this is my fifth lab experiment video. The fifth lab experiment is JavaScript using DOM elements and elements. The first question will be the longest word using the split function and the string name .len function and array name .len function. The second one will be the PMI calculator. VMI calculator, the following snippet should be skeleton of the PMI, threaded, underweight, overweight, obese, and everything. Then in kilograms and meters. So now you have you get the weight and height using, and then click calculate button, and then the function will be done. So the JavaScript file will have a function calculate, which will calculate the function and return the value. Third one is the flower garden. For instance, when you click the plant garden button, the page should generate a rectangular grid of flowers image in the div with the ID of the garden. The dimensions of the grid are given by the values entered in the text boxes. Now, using this code, just make the snippet and then use math function in JavaScript to generate a variable grid. Then a weight indicator. The weight indicator will convert the weight to kg to lb. It is a converter, and you write the function according to this, and using get element by id. It's all given in the question. Then we have a coin flip, the JavaScript on the coin. The image will have two faces, one heads and one tails. So when you click the button, every time there will be a random spin and there will be a different image. Then we have a pizza order form. So you will create a form, and then you have a tax of 9%, tip of 10 to 10 20 20%, and then you create small, medium pizzas and everything. So now let's just go to the code. Let us run the file. Now you have the file here. Okay, so this is a string, so let me type something. Hello, how are you? And when you click check, you'll get the biggest string. So let's see the code for this one, and the code is right here. So this is the first page. When you see, so I made the first page first. This is all included in every page. So page 1, page 2, and page 3, everything. And then I have the indications. So label 1, when you have to type the text, input 1, then it is an IE, and I have a JavaScript page. So in the function f1, you're taking the id the t1 and splitting the text. So the var longest should be 0, and it will be counting the words. So I will be counting how much and comparing it with other strings and giving out you the word will be given out, and this will be the word. So the output will be O1. So the output is given. Let us see the second one. Let us see the weight 70 and height in meters should be 3.6, and let us calculate. So your body mass index is this much and you are underweight. Let us see the code for this one. Now you have the code. So your body mass index and everything should be inputted using input class, and then input class, and then when you calculate the function is run, and see the calculate function is taken in, two values are taken in and one value is given out, and then it is compared with other values that it is underweight, overweight, or obese. Next is third quest, rows equals to 1 1, and then you press 1, So there's one row, one column. This is 1 1. Let us see the code. Code will be, it will ask for this one is just for asking. Let's see the JavaScript. This is the ask how many rows and how many columns. If we grow, a grow function will be activated. So the grow function is get element by id from the garden, how many rows, how many columns, then multiply it by t5 into 80. Then image should be taken in, and both the image, the area and the rows, because two images are there, I put two images to differentiate how many rows and how many columns and everything. Then you have two for loops which go by number. That means every time you multiply by 2 and add by 0. So and afterwards there is an increment. If the number is 0, then you will print this thing. If the number is 1, you will print that thing. It goes on, it goes on, and at last when this loop is all done, the inner HTML will be given out, that is B. Then after that width will be given out, and that will be added with TX. So this is the row, and then the images will be in the rows and column wise. Next is fourth. So you have a converter. So let us see. 75 kilos. It is this one. Vice versa. 165.344674. That is correct. So let's see the code. Same input, using input, using form id form. Select, that is AB, kg or LB, LB or kg. So, and then click on convert. So the answers will go round way. Let's see chase. You have convert a big function. So the convert has a big function here, and then the value goes from data. The value val goes from 1 to 2. If the answer is selected with kg to al, this function will work, or if it is selected from lb to that one, then this function will work. Same in these things. And then you have value 0 and x. The last thing is head, flip, 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 flip. It goes on. So the flip function works. You have an image advantage, math function 0 and 2. When you click it, there will be a function running this thing. Every time if the number is 0, it will go like this. Number is 1, it will go like this. Simple x and y calculation. The floor function is the modular function, and then random function is anything can come on random, and this is the function. So this was the experiment. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.